organised here. There's a serious fight with they have a presence on the stand on this field. They have a little compound. Having a terrier show tomorrow afternoon at 1 o'clock. But they've been on like always by stuck on the ground.